Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LCD with Arduino. For writing this code we are using Arduino IDE and for debugging we will use Proteus. I have already written the code and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. So open it, LCD, Arduino IDE, open it. Open and on the same open Proteus. For those who are working on Proteus for Arduino for the first time and want to work on Arduino library for Proteus, so I have put the link in the comment box. This is our LCD. This is our LCD. We are using a 4-bit LCD in here. Which pins we are? These are the data lines. This is a 16x2 LCD is there. This is RS, RW enable pin. RS is register select. RW read write. EN enable high to low pulse. These 8 are the data lines, but in Arduino we are using only 4-bit for save your pin. And RS is connected with 1 pin. RW is connected with ground. Enable is connected with 2 pin, and for 11, 12, 13, 14 is connected with 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, according to that we write the code. This is our header file for LCD. In this we are using a command in slide, display in slide, which command we are using, which command like clear display screen, all are included here. So this is the syntax for initialize the pin of LCD. These two are, this is first pin is for RS, second is for enable, and these 4 are the data lines. So RS is connected with second, with 1 number pin, with it's second number pin, I think. Yeah, it's a second number pin. RS is connected with second number pin. Okay, enable is connected with third number pin. Enable, this one. Okay, enable is connected with third number pin, and 4, 5, 6, 7 are connected with data lines. 4, 5, 6, 7 are data lines. Okay, after that word setup, we are using which LCD? We are using LCD.begin. We are using with the help of 16x2 LCD. So 16,2. For printing anything, we are use this one. Welcome to all anything. When you have to write this on the loop, then this program operate infinite times and you have to use delay and everything. So first you have to work on build it. Compile it. You compile, done compiling. Your header hex file is there in this location. In this location, this is our location for hex file. So copy the hex file from this location and paste it here. Okay, after that open Proteus, double click on the IC, open LCD uno.hex, then OK, then after that play. Welcome to all. Okay, suppose in next program we are using with the help of switchware performing LCD operation. In next program we are using LCD with switch. Open it. This is also open Proteus and LCD both. So in the case of this one, first see this one. Your LCD is connected with pin number 2, 3. 2, 3 is for RS, 2 is for RS, 3 is for enable, and these for the data line. Okay, 1 and 8 is for switch. See this. 1 pin is connected with switch and the 8 pin is connected with switch. 9 and 10 is for LED, and 2 and 2 is for RS, 3 is for enable, 4, 5, 6, 7 is for data line. Okay. Yeah. To write your code, switch 1 is 8. This is the predefined header file for LCD. Switch 1, switch 8, then is for LCD, then LED is connected with the help of setup. You have to, which pin is the input pin, switch are the input device, you have to write input, these are the output device, so you have to write output. Okay, by default the value of switch is 1. When you have to press it, then value will be 0. The first by default value will be 1. When you have to press it, then value will be 0. So according to that, to write the code, digital read switch equal to 0. If value will equal to 0, then switch 1 is on. If is 0, then switch 2 is on. According to that, we have to write the code. LED is high. Okay. Digital light, if switch equal to 0, then this one switch is on. Then this switch 2 is 0, then switch 2 is on. Otherwise, both condition off condition. Else in else case, this one is off, and in this case, else this one is off. Okay, high to low pulse in this case. High to low pulse in this case. Okay, for LED. So compile it. So copy your hex file from this location to this location and build it. Open, okay, then play. This switch press with this one on, this one off, this one. Okay, both are off. Okay, yeah, thank you very much.